I'm Barney Desmazery. I'm a recipe developer, cookbook author, and I've spent a long time between restaurant development and home kitchen. And the one thing I've learned that separates a good cook from a great one is understanding. Understanding why you rest your meat before you cut it, understanding why certain things need a high heat and others need patience, why the same recipe can go beautifully one day and come apart the next. This is the ultimate. A brand new series from Good Food where we take the recipes you love, the ones that you've always wanted to get right, and we go deeper to make them even better. Every episode we show you the techniques. We find out what makes a difference, what doesn't, and then we show you clearly, simply, exactly how to do it at home. No shortcuts, no guesswork. Each recipe focuses on one dish, but what you're really learning is a skill. How to build flavour properly, how to get the texture right, and how to read what's happening in the pan and respond to it. These aren't techniques you'll use once, they'll change the way you cook everything. Well, that's what we're going for anyway. That's what this series is, that's what I'm here for. No shortcuts, no fuss, just proper cooking, properly explained. This is the ultimate, and I'll see you in the kitchen. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss episode 1.